Hey guys, do you love gifts and surprises? Then it's a video for you. In our channel we are going to upload other channels giveaway and tutorial for participation and some other unique videos. Guys, miracle can happen at any time. So don't let your hope down. Fingers crossed. In this video we are going to see about Apple AirPods giveaway, Redmi Note 8 Pro giveaway, Oppo A12 2x giveaway and finally Apple iPhone 11 giveaway. The video is very interesting, so don't skip the video. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Then let's go. Number 5. Sony WF Truly Wireless AirPods giveaway by Tracking Tech YouTube channel. Rules. Comment on the video with the best feature you like about this earphone. The video link in description. The winner will select by Gleam website and positive paste to follow the given steps to complete you. The Gleam website link also in description. Number 3. Should be an Indian citizen to qualify the giveaway. Number 4. The giveaway will open for participation till 8th July. The giveaway winner will announce in live on Instagram and Twitter on 10th July or 11th July. Number 4. Redmi Note 8 Pro giveaway by Akshay Gaming YouTube channel. Rules. The giveaway winner will select by Gleam website. Number 3. Oppo A12 2x giveaway by Gogi Tech YouTube channel. Rules. Comment the best feature of Oppo A12 device. The video link in description. Select the giveaway winner by random comment picker. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy A21s giveaway by Technology on YouTube channel. Rules. Like, share, subscribe to Technology on YouTube channel. The video link in description. You must be a Indian citizen to get the product. The giveaway winner will select by Gleam website. The Gleam website link also in description. Respond in 3 days to get the products or else the giveaway winner will lose the product. Number 1. iPhone 11 giveaway by KingerYT YouTube channel. Rules. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the KingerYT YouTube channel and the winner will select by random comment picker. I hope you will like the video, so please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more interesting giveaways and some other unique videos. Thank you for watching.